In today's video, I'm going to show you how to promote affiliate links. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing, you have to have a way to drive viewers and to drive clicks to your affiliate links. I have been a full-time affiliate marketer for many years now, and I've managed to generate results like what you can see here on the screen and here on the screen with affiliate marketing. And I'm going to show you some of my favorite methods of driving traffic to your affiliate links in this video. If you are new to my channel, then make sure to click subscribe just below this video. I put out 2 to 3 videos per week where I share my personal tips on how you can make money online using blogging and affiliate marketing. Before we get into the first method, please take a second to go below this video and drop me a comment right now and tell me how long have you been doing affiliate marketing? 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, and how much traffic are you currently getting? That will help me understand what kind of videos I can make in the future so that I can help you the best. Thanks, and let's get into the detail. So the first method that I'll show you for how to promote affiliate links is what I call borrowed authority. To do that, I'm going to show you how to use a website called medium.com, and this website will allow you to get tons of traffic to your affiliate links. I'm going to show you exactly how. Before we get into it though, I want to make sure that you understand that this method doesn't even involve you having a website. If you don't have a website and you don't want to build a website, you can use this method to drive traffic to your affiliate links. That's how thousands of people who are on Medium make a full-time living from affiliate marketing. They just post their content on medium.com and they get a ton of clicks and they make a lot of money. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. To understand the power of this method, you first need to understand how powerful medium.com is as a website. Let's take a quick look at its statistics. So you can see that medium.com, according to ahrefs.com, is the number 79 website on the planet in terms of the strength of its backlink profile and authority. So if you rank every single website in the world, with number 1 being the strongest and number 2 being the next strongest, number 3, etc., there are approximately 200 million websites in that Ahrefs keeps track of. And this website, medium.com, is number 79. My own blogs are approximately number 1 million in this rank. Okay, I've got one website that's about 750,000 in the rank. So medium.com is number 79 on the whole planet, number 79. So that means that this website is extremely strong, has got a very strong domain authority. If you look at the DR, which is domain rank, it's 94 and maximum is 100. So it's almost one of the strongest domain rank authorities on the planet. You can also see that they've got over 1 million different websites linking to them. So it's a super powerful website. Now, the cool thing is that you can see that they're currently ranking for 42.8 million different keywords according to Ahrefs, probably for a lot more because Ahrefs index is not complete. It doesn't have all of Google's database. Now, what you have to understand is that these 42.8 million keywords that Medium is ranking for is content that's produced by people like you and by people like me. All of the content on Medium is user generated. So it's just people, they get on there and they publish their articles and they place their affiliate links inside their articles. And then because medium.com website is so strong, those articles get ranked on page 1 of Google and they get a lot of traffic. And obviously people who post their affiliate links on Medium get a lot of money as well. In case you are worried whether medium.com actually allows affiliate links, let me show you something. This is the official Medium policy, Medium rules, and you will actually see, if you scroll down the page, you will see that affiliate links are allowed. See this point here? It says you must disclose affiliate links or payment for a post. Affiliate links such as link out to Amazon with your code or any other link where you will receive a commission or other value are allowed in posts. So Medium officially allows you to place affiliate links inside your posts. The main thing is that you must disclose somewhere in the post that it includes affiliate links. Okay, so you must follow the FTC rules and guides. So make sure that you research into that and place an appropriate disclosure of your affiliate links. Generally, it's something along the lines of, as soon as you place your affiliate link, next to it you have to say that this is an affiliate link, and then at the bottom of your post make a reference to explain that you might receive compensation if someone buys something through a link. That will make sure that your posts are not at risk of being banned by medium.com. Okay, so let's work through an example here. Let's say you are a ClickBank affiliate and you want to promote an offer from ClickBank, which is brain training for dogs. How can you make money on Medium using the techniques that I'm going to show you promoting this offer? Well, first of all, you'd need to go and check out this offer on clickbank.com, brain training for dogs. It's a training offer for dogs, or for the owners of dogs, basically, to train them how to make their dogs smarter and how to teach them how to do different things. It's a very high converting offer. A lot of people are making an absolute killing with this offer right now. So you would need to grab this link. Okay, so generate hop link, and this will give you your link to promote this offer. So that's going to be the link that you will need to start sending the traffic to. So now the next thing that you need to do is you want to publish an article on medium.com. Now let me show you something cool. Your ideal audience will be searching in Google for things like dog training tips, won't they? They'll be wanting to find out how to train their dog. Well, guess what? Position number 10 in Google search right here is medium.com, a medium.com article. Like I told you, because it's such a powerful domain, any article virtually that you write on medium.com is going to have a very high chance of ranking on page 1, especially if you choose the correct keywords. If we look at the actual keyword dog training tips, we can see that the keyword difficulty is huge. It's 52, and yet medium.com still manages to rank in position number 10 for this particular keyword. Imagine how powerful this website is, and imagine what would happen if you actually chose a keyword that is an easy keyword with keyword difficulty, let's say 5 or 7. Let's see what happens if we take a much easier keyword such as how to train a border collie puppy, and if we Google for that, you will see that result number 3, 1, 2, 3, right over here is a medium.com article. Now, if you open this article, you will see that this article is actually very short. You don't even have to write a lot. There are maybe 6 or 7 paragraphs. If you use a word counter, there's only 1,200 words here. And best of all, you will actually see that there are promotional links right here in the article. Here, this one here is a self-promotional link that people are trying to, make money and basically get traffic from medium.com and then direct it to their own website. So what I would recommend for you to do is to write an article on medium.com on the keyword term that you would be targeting for your ideal audience. Write an article and then insert the affiliate links right inside the article. Make sure that you do appropriate disclosures, affiliate disclosures, disclose that your link is an actual affiliate link. And then once your article is ranked on page 1, just like this, it will continue getting free traffic from Google every single day because people are searching for all of these different keywords. And you will be getting views to your content, to your article, and you will also be getting sales because a lot of people, as they're reading the article, they will be clicking on those affiliate links. To find those low competition keywords, type in any kind of query that is related to your target market into Google, then go through and find a website that is completely dedicated to your target market, and then analyze this website or any number of those websites in a tool such as Ahrefs. So here we've analyzed wegwalking.com and we've applied a keyword difficulty filter of maximum 7, and that will give you all of the possible keywords that you can write articles about on medium.com. You can see that all of them have extremely low keyword difficulty, which means that if you write an article on any of these keywords, you'll have an extremely high chance of ranking on page 1 because your article will be hosted on medium.com, which is a domain with insanely high authority. Method number 2 that I'm going to show you for how to promote your affiliate links is to target review keywords. It's quite a cool tactic and pretty much no one out there is using it. So I really hope you like it. And if you do like it, then please comment below. Just let me know that you actually liked it and that you found it useful. So let's do this. To execute this method, I like to do this. I open up my favorite keyword research tool, which is Ahrefs. You can use any other tool that you want, and I type in one word, review, and then I search for all the keywords that contain the word review. So to do that, I just go here, having same terms, and that will give me all of the keywords that have got a word review in them. So anytime anybody searches for a review of something, I'm picking this up right now. Now, I also apply a keyword difficulty filter of maximum 7, which will give me keywords that contain the word review, that are extremely easy to rank for. And here I'm getting 460,000 keywords. Now, I've used this method a lot. It's just impossible to run out of keyword ideas when you're doing this, because there are hundreds of thousands of different key phrases that contain the word review that you can try and rank for. And the point here is that a lot of this will actually give you an idea on what people are searching for, reviews of what product they're searching for. For example, we can see here LG K30 review. And if you don't know what it is, you can open it up and you'll find out what it is. It's a phone. Okay, so this is a phone. And if you manage to rank your review on page 1 of Google, you will manage to get commissions, because any of these websites that you can open up here, okay, like if I open this website, they will be promoting that LG K30 via their affiliate link. So if somebody is reading this review and they like this review and they decide to check out this phone, they can click on the links on this website, and that will take them to a place where they can buy it, and the owner of this website will get paid a commission. All right, so let's say on the lifewire.com website, see here it says buy on Amazon. So if I'm interested in buying LG K30 and I research it, I read their review and I like it, then I'm going to click this buy on Amazon, and via the affiliate link of lifewire.com, I'm going to be taken here. And when I buy this, then the owner of lifewire.com will obviously get paid a commission. So this gives you a really good amount of information for different kind of keywords that are super easy to rank for, because remember, we filtered this for low keyword difficulty. Okay, you can write reviews on all of these terms and you can drive a ton of traffic. Here is another example. If we go a few pages further, here it is, Qualia Mind Review. So if we look at what kind of websites are currently ranking, you can see here that there are lots of very weak websites that are ranking. There's a website with a rank 14 million, 4.4 million. So if you write a proper review on this keyword on your own domain or on medium.com, you'll have a really high chance of outranking and starting to get consistent traffic. Now, if you're not sure, once again, you know what Qualia Mind, for example, is, you can just Google it, and you will find out that this is nootropic supplement. So basically, you know, it claims that it makes people smarter, but they actually have an affiliate program. So you can search for affiliate, and that will show you a page of neurohacker.com who are selling this Qualia Mind, and they've got an affiliate program right here. Okay, so you can sign up to become an affiliate. You can write a review of this product and you can start making commissions just by people coming through to your website and checking out this Qualia Mind product via your link and then buying it. This is exactly what all of these people who are currently ranking here on page 1, that's exactly how they make their money. See, all of these people here that are ranking, they all review this Qualia Mind product and they offer all of their visitors to buy it via their affiliate link. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Here are a couple of videos that I suggest you watch next. They'll show you more ways to make money with affiliate marketing. If you're not yet a subscriber, then make sure to click the subscribe button and also drop me a comment below. Let me know what you thought of this video. I would super appreciate it. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.